the wall of fire.
Now, here's where the story takes a truly wild turn. As the Voyager probes punched through the Heliopause, their instruments detected something that, honestly, stunned the scientific community. They registered a massive and abrupt spike in plasma temperature, from just a few thousand degrees, to a mind-boggling 30,000 to 50,000 Kelvin. That's up to 90,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the sun. This phenomenon was poetically dubbed the Wall of Fire. It's not fire in the way we know it, but a region where the solar wind, after its long journey, basically slams into the interstellar medium. This cosmic collision compresses and energizes the plasma particles, heating them to these extreme temperatures. Dr. Tom Krimigis, the principal investigator for the low-energy charged particle instrument on both spacecraft, saw the data come in firsthand. His instrument confirmed that the particles in this region were, well, incredibly energized. This discovery showed that the edge of our solar system isn't a gentle fade into the void, it's actually a violent, superheated interface where two cosmic winds clash.